Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we transform your creative ideas into stunning designs. Today, I'm excited to show you how to design GIFs using Canva. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media posts or add some animation to your projects, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's open up Canva and start a new design. You can choose any template size that fits your project. For this tutorial, I'll be using a square template, which is perfect for social media posts. Once your canvas is open, we'll begin designing the elements of our GIF. Designing elements. Start by adding the elements you want in your GIF. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for graphics, shapes, or photos to use. Arrange them on your canvas as desired. Remember, the key to a good GIF is simplicity, so don't overcrowd your design. Adding text and more elements. Next, add any text you want in your GIF. Click on the Text tab, choose a font, and type your message. Adjust the size, color, and position to fit your design. You can also add more elements or adjust existing ones to enhance your composition. Adding animation. Now comes the fun part, adding animation. Click on any element you want to animate, and then click the Animate button in the top toolbar. Canva offers a variety of animation options like fade, pan, and pop. Choose the one that best suits your design. You can animate multiple elements to create a dynamic effect. Previewing and adjusting animation. To preview your animation, click the Play button in the top right corner. This lets you see how your GIF will look in action. Make any necessary adjustments to timing and animations to ensure your GIF flows smoothly. Exporting GIF. Once you're happy with your design and animations, it's time to export your GIF. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, select GIF as the file type, and click Download. Canva will generate your animated GIF, which you can then use in your social media posts, presentations, or any other projects. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to design GIFs using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.